Hold on.
Okay, YouTube guys, one. Okay, I'm back at it with a weird one, which in, let's just say, blast from the past. This is a Magnavox VHS HD player, you know, yeah, cassette player, as you would say, you know, yeah, VHS tape player. And this one, I know a lot of you guys been like, what am I doing with something like this in these modern time? But some people still have their little cassette they want to play and stuff like that, so I got this one to repair for a customer, you know. And this one, let's see, alright, I already take this apart. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me tell you a little information on this. What brand it was again? Magnavox. It's a Magnavox. So, alright. See the, if I see the manufacturer date, where is it? Test by. How comes I don't see? I'm looking for. Yeah, I didn't see the date which it was made. So this is a video cassette recorder. Yeah, guys, I don't see the date. I wish I did see to see how old it is, but alright. The problem with it was it plays. You put in the cassette, yeah, wrong. You put it in, but this plays out. Then the steady tape, the head spin, everything, but it's not. When you try to eject it, yeah, the tape is not coming back out. So yeah, it's not coming. It's stuck inside. It will come like halfway, and it just stays there. And I was like checking. I said, what could cause this problem? No, and only to find out it was this. There's a motor here. This is the motor for taking the cassette and eject. That's all it does. This motor right here. So that's all it does. To reel in the tape, bring it in, and bring it back out when you press. So I realized this belt, when I press it, it's as it says, skidding. Yeah. So yeah, the motor is spinning and the belt is not moving when I try to get it out. So I'm gonna try and replace the belt, but I tell you guys, this is not an easy one. Man, it's been a while since I've done one of these. Oh my goodness. Man. Alright, let's begin with taking this, unplug the motor from this little circuit board right there, and then I have a screw back here. So even when I get to this, I'm gonna show you. Hold on, the roadblock I'm having here. See that? This metal piece, yeah, and this is the old chassis of this thing. So on this side, top 3 screw at the top here, and plus 1 in this little here right here that come. So I would have to take all this out, which I'm not going to do now. What I'm going to do is, let me see. Alright, yeah, let's do this for now. Let me remove this, and then second screw. So the 3rd screw, and this is the 4th one. Alright. And oh yeah, this one is different. Okay. So I have to be careful of what I do, because I will mess the timing up and that. So yeah, when doing these, I have to be extra careful. Oh yeah, and this one is putting up a fight. Oh yes. All right. Oh man. slip no time in here. Alright. Oh my words, this year. Yes guys, this one is a 88. Alright, so let's move this little spring right here. Yep. Oh man. Okay. Amen. That's one little. Wow, can you imagine just to put in that little belt after? Jeez. Jeez. People never are not making it easy for me at all. This will mess the timing up, man. Don't want to do that. So take that off. I'm gonna try to take this other side off. Yeah, I know you do that with right-hander. This is what I didn't want to do, but let's go put that one there. Alright guys, alright, that's that for there. That's that for that. There's one here too, yeah. Alright, motor's off. Oh. Come on, stop, don't do that. What is wrong with this thing, man? So now I have to take this little thing up here and try not to break it. And I think I'm gonna have a little. Oh my god. Come on, don't mess with me like that. A little problem right here. I didn't want to remove this. I didn't want to do that. Damn. Wow. Yeah guys, yeah, this is not looking good for me, but I'm gonna try a little trick I used to do when I used to repair them. Good. Right, and this is a new belt. Put onto it. And this is gonna be the hard part, maybe not. Wow. So the belt is on. So now this is tricky part now. This is tricky right here. Something is not lining up properly, so now that could be an issue right here now. That's, yep, yeah. No, this was about here, right here somewhere. Yep, right there. Good. I think that's it right there. Yep. Maybe. Oh my God. Guys, this is not, let me see, this is not good. Believe me. If I have to take it apart back, this is gonna be a real headache. Lord help me. Right. See if I remember. Wait. Put that up right there. I could be on the right track. Let's just see when the testing time comes. Jesus, come on. I'm going to the crazy belt. That's, oh man. This, wow. I'm not even sure how this was put onto this little thing right here. Okay, I think I remember. shouldn't be moving like that. I don't think so. Did something fall off it? Huh, that's funny. This one, oh yeah. Oh really? Yep, they're like that. Sure. I never know. I never noticed. Right. Alright. Oh yeah, I did unplug this. Righty then, this, that. Alrighty then. Alright. This guy's moment of truth. By right, I should take the face off before I do all of what I'm doing now. Something not right here. Uh-oh. You know what? I'm not even gonna put the face back on until test it first and see what's going on. So I know where the power button is and everything. So up, power button down here. Okay, good. This is what I'm talking about. That works fine. What the heck? It's coming out now. Everything is good. But something is not right here. For some strange reason, it's on, but it's not taking the wheel. Some timing is. Sometimes they have a sensor. Yes, guys, look at that. It's working. I forgot the sensor. Hold on. That. Yeah, it had a little. Let me try to inject it. Alright. That's good. So guys, that was a nice repair. That was the problem with this one and stuff. So, whew, man, I was worried. It has a sensor right here. So if it exposes too much light, it's like a photocell. You have to keep it dark, and then it will automatically play. So yeah, it's right here. This little shiny thing right here. Oh wow. I was, yeah. See that? It reacted when I do that. It worked like a photocell. Yeah. Right? So that was a successful repair, guys. If I have time, I'll hook it up and let you guys see it play. I have a Sony Trinitron TV, Sony Trinitron, so I'll let you know if I, if I test it, I'll let you guys know. If I bench test it, it's funny, bench test a VCR. Alright guys, thank you for watching. CNC Electronics Sales and Repair, Repairs and Sale. Whichever way you put it, we do it all. So yes guys, that's it for this video. So remember, if you have a VCR and ever giving a problem like that, which in video tape goes inside and don't want to come out or come halfway and stays there, this belt right here, it's always most of this belt here, because most of the time it's that belt. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.
Hold on.